that is also true. Especially when we talk about the new build segment. I mean, new build is always the area where the most modern heating appliances go into. And the new build market really breaks down in this year already. It started at the end of last year, so these investments are postponed. And we do see that, of course, also then in the heating market accordingly. So currently, the biggest fear here from the industry's perspective is that customers will not decide for anything, but keep repairing the old products. And that's actually the worst case scenario for also the environment, because the German heating appliances are in average extremely old. So half of the installed appliances are older than 20 years. So it's an outdated technology, which is, of course, wasting energy at the end of the day. So slowing down the market from the new build perspective and also from the replacement perspective is the worst for the environment.
One basic question, Christian. Have you got one yet? Have you got your heat pump? How's it performing?
I'm one of the lucky ones. I do have a heat pump at home, and I'm extremely happy with it. Also because I have a relatively modern house, and in modern houses, heat is not the issue anymore because of high insulation standards, but cooling is a topic. So if you have windows which allow the sun to heat up your house, you have suddenly a cooling issue, and with a heat pump you can also cool down your house a bit.
So that might be the selling point for Mrs. Sedgwick, Christian, because I'll tell you what, she doesn't like the house too cold. Good to see you, sir. Thank you for A, talking about the subjects, and B, being all consumery for us as well. That's not normally our remit, but I'm fascinated. Christian Sieg, Managing Director at BDR Thermea.